Right. Good morning, everyone. All the online students, is it the screen is visible? All the online students, could you please everyone respond in the chat window? I request all the online students need to respond in the chat window. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. Let me reshare it once again. And all the online students, the unmute option is not enabled. For now, I will have an only chat window option has been enabled. You can communicate, you can respond in the chat window. Unmute option will be enabled at the end of the session. For everyone, unmute option will be provided at the end of the session. Okay. And some people has been joined from the multiple devices. Please make sure that you have been joined from only one device. By that, it will not have any echo voice here. If the people has been joined from the multiple devices, it will be getting with the echo voice. Please make sure that you have been joined from only one particular device. By that, it will not be having any echo voice here. Okay? All right. Perfect. Let's get started then. So before getting started, just I want to understand that overall attendees of this particular training program. Just I want to understand that overall attendees of this particular training program. Further, all you guys just respond. Okay. All you guys has been just respond with your latest year of pass out and then any knowledge on manual testing or experience. Okay. Just you guys can respond with your latest year of pass out. Along with that, you can just respond any knowledge or any experience in manual testing. By that, I can understand that overall the audience of this particular program. Based on that, I can continue this particular one of demo session here. And all the online students, people who join from multiple devices, please make sure you join only from one device, guys, because it will give a disturbance for other people also. If you guys are joining from the multiple devices, it will give a disturbance for other people also. Please make sure that you join from only one device. I'm expecting the response from every online students. Just you can respond with your latest year of pass out, any knowledge or any experience in manual testing. All right, guys. Perfect, guys. I'm able to meet all the audience here. I got in a technical people, non-technical, even 17 years, 18 years experience people, fresher level. Almost we have in all the group of the people. I'll be coming up with the demo session according to that. Okay. So as we got all the group of the people, we got experience level, fresher level, and more experience level. So I'll be coming up with the explanations according to that. So please be wait to complete my explanation. Just please be wait to complete my explanation. After completion of my explanation, then I will be giving the unmute option. And then I'll be getting clarified with all your questions here. Still any other people need to be respond with your latest year of pass out and any knowledge on manual testing. All right. I'm expecting the response from every online student, guys. By that, it will be very easy to come up with explanations of as part of the audience. Perfect, guys. Perfect then. All right, guys. Looks almost we have in all the audience, guys. It's very great and it's very pleasure to meet all these people here. Oh, perfect, guys. Let's get started then. Okay, right. So just before getting started, just in a small introduction about my profile. I don't want to take much time here. Just I'll be giving a small introduction of my profile. Okay. For the people who is not the screen is visible, you can just rejoin it, guys. In case if any of the student is having the issue, the screen is not visible, just you can rejoin the session. Your issue will be getting resolved. Okay. So myself, K. Suresh, having 18 plus years of expertise into software testing. It's not like development or anything. So I got a huge experience into software testing only. So I have been started my career as a tester and still have been continued in testing only. So currently working with Capgemini as a senior test manager consultant. Senior test manager consultant. Right. So previously, I used to be get work with that particular startup companies, medium level companies, MNC companies. I'm having a very good experience in working with multiple companies here and even multiple locations also. I work for Passion Infotech and then I have been work for that particular Symphony Services and then I have been worked for Accenture, and then I have been worked for this particular iGate here. So what I'm trying to say is I got a good experience in working with the startup companies and then which I will be taking with this particular medium level and everything here. So just small update all the online students, please be very clear. A small update to each and every individual student here. Any questions or I can consider clarifications because today is the very first session. As today is the very first session, I can understand that I will be having a lot of questions or clarifications related to this particular program. So any questions or any clarification will be addressed at the end of the session. Okay, because I don't want to be disturb any of these particular session here. I want to do the session in a smooth way. Because of that, all the questions will be addressed. A small question, career related, anything, any kind of questions related to this training program and your career, will be addressed at the end of the session. And along with that, unmute option also will be enabled. Okay. So for now, unmute option is not enabled. For everyone, each and every individual student, for now, unmute option is not enabled. After completion of my whole explanation, I will be coming up with enable unmute option, and I'll give enough time to get clarify each and every particular question. I will be giving with the enough time. So no worries about your clarifications or questions. Just please be wait at the end of the session here. Okay? Right. So let's get start with our actual concepts here. Is it everyone is ready for the actual session? All the online students. Is it everyone is ready for the actual session? Please be respond, guys. Please be respond. I required more activeness in the sessions. I required more activeness in the sessions. Please be respond. Is it everyone ready? All right. Perfect, guys. Let's get started then. Okay. As all you guys has been joined this particular training program, can I know what exactly the heading of this particular program? Could you please respond in the chat window according to your knowledge? According to your knowledge, according to your understanding, what exactly the main heading of this particular program? Playwright automation, playwright AI testing. Still, guys, whatever you are aware of that, you can respond it. According to your knowledge, according to your understanding, what exactly the name of this particular training program? Perfect. Oh. So let's give in a clear picture here. Let's have in a clear picture what exactly, sorry. Let's have in a clear picture of what exactly the name of this particular training program. See that. First understanding, I can say that it will be taking with playwright. This particular training program has been related to playwright automation, not Selenium automation or any other automation tool. You guys has been learning this particular playwright automation, not like manual. It's not like anything related to the manual. You're learning with this particular playwright automation, but not like just only playwright automation. We designed this particular program playwright with AI testing. All the online students, please be very clear. This program is not like only playwright automation, playwright with AI testing, not just AI, guys. It is not like an just AI, it is AI testing. As part of that particular AI testing, which includes Gen AI, and then we can go with this particular prompt engineering, and then it will be taking with agentic AI. So if I go with the title of this particular training program is, I can mention the playwright with AI testing, because in this particular current market, AI testing has been becoming a mandatory for every job role you need to go with this particular using AI. So as part of this particular program, you will be understanding with the same. Because of first day and the first demo, today I will be coming up with highlights of the program. As part of this particular today's session, I'll be just coming up with highlights of this particular program, and tomorrow's session I will be getting in more detail. As part of today, I'll be providing these particular highlights. Tomorrow also, demo will be continued with the same timings, same meeting ID only. You can utilize these two sessions here. Once you utilize these two particular sessions, then you will get the more clear picture of this particular training program here. All right, let's see that. Now, to get an easy understanding of the concept, I'll be getting started from very basic. To have an easy understanding, I'll be getting started from very basic. If I just go with this particular testing, in common, in general, the testing, how many types of testing we got? Online students. If I go with the software testing, how many types of testing we got? Could you please respond in the chat window? Types of testing. I'm talking about the main types, guys. I'm just talking about the main types of testing. Try to respond, guys. I'm talking about with the main types of testing. Exactly, guys. Right. So in common, in general, we can say that we can mention that we got in a two types of testing. That is what I will be taking with manual testing, and another one I will be taking with automation testing. Till last year, till 2025, please be very clear, till the time of 2025, we got two types of testing only. But from 2026, from 2026, it's not like two types here, which I will be mentioning the three types. That is also one more it got added, AI testing. So from this particular 2026, it got added one more testing. That is what AI testing, which has been giving more importance in this current market, which has been giving the more importance in this current market. So why it got in a more importance, and why the clients are interested or specifically asking that to have AI testing also. I'll just show you small demo related to importance of this particular AI testing. Why in this current market every tester need to be get upgrade to the AI? What is the importance of AI? See here, just in a small demo to understand. This is one of banking application. As all you guys are aware of manual testing or basic knowledge of manual testing, if I want to perform smoke testing for this particular page, how much time we require? I'm talking about the smoke testing. For this particular page, high level, we need to complete smoke testing. Now, according to your knowledge, if you want to complete with the smoke testing for this particular page, how much time it is required? Please be respond. According to your knowledge, guys. Whether answer is correct or wrong, no worries about it all. We don't have any marks for today's session. When you're answering it, you will not be getting any marks. No worries about on that. Just according to your knowledge, you can respond it. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay. Right. The people who don't have knowledge and manual, no worries. No worries about on that. Okay, perfect. See here. In general, we can say that minimum 1 hour or 2 hours of time it will be taking it to complete that particular smoke testing for this particular page. Now, the same concept of smoke testing, the same concept of smoke testing by taking with the help of AI, I can see how much time we are taking to complete. I'm talking about only smoke testing. Let's see. I'm just using one particular tool. I got to open that particular tool, which I will be taking with the tool name exploratory tester. I just open the tool. That's it. Once I got open with the tool, see here it has been doing the testing. Not even seconds also. Less than a second it is able to perform. Let me open once again. Less than a second it has been able to perform and then it has been giving with the result. We got total 46, passed has been 25, errors are 7, warnings are 14. You may get in a doubt, sir, really is that it has been tested or not? If you want, you can cross check that, see the screenshot. All the online students able to see the screenshot of the same page to confirm that whether it has been tested with the same or not, you can see the screenshot. So what are the functionalities it has been tested? What are the functionalities it has been tested? It has been tested with spelling mistake, email field validation, phone number validation, input field status. All these particular functionalities, it has been tested and then given that particular results. Now you guys can easily understand that why AI testing has been becoming a mandatory in the current market. It's not like tester has been replacing. Tester will not replace. As a tester, you need to take with the help of AI and you have to continue in doing with the testing. If you want, let me try with one more application. Okay. If you want, let me try with one more application. I'm just taking with the help of another application. Now, I want to test this particular page. See here. I'll just open the tool. That's it. I'm just open with the tool. Then it has been testing it and it will be giving the result. It has been giving total 51, passed is 17, errors we got 18. See the screenshot? You're able to see the screenshot of that particular application. So this is what the main objective of AI here. Whatever the testing you are doing, it's not like the whole tester has been replacing, but whatever the tester work you are doing, that particular tester work you need to do speed up. For that, you will be taking with the help of this particular aspect of AI here. So this is how in this particular current market, we are having that particular perspective of AI testing here. So that is where from the year of this particular 2026, it's not like just only two types of testing. We got three types of testing: manual testing, automation testing, and then AI testing. Now, as part of this current market, the one who want to start their career as a tester, lot of confusions has been created in that particular social media or YouTube, whatever it can be. There is a lot of confusion created in the current market, saying that the people are mentioning that learn only AI testing and then you can do with the job search. Most of the people are guiding that directly learn with the AI testing and then you can do with the job search. That is not at all correct, guys. I'm giving very clear information and a very transparent. As part of current market, if you are learning only manual testing, in this current market, only manual testing is not at all enough to get in a job. That market already completed. Up to 22, 23, we have in a market of learning only manual testing and then doing the job search. But from the year of 2026, in your resume, if you mention only manual testing, you can keep 10 years manual, 15 years on manual experience also. You cannot get an interview calls here. In this current market, either fresher level or experience level. It can be fresher level, it can be experience level. It's mandatory of manual testing and automation testing. Only manual, you can't expect the job. Only automation, you can't expect the job. In the same way, only AI testing also you can't expect with the job. Your resume, your profile should be manual testing and automation testing and AI testing. Then you can expect with the interview calls here. Please be very clear, guys. Don't be confused about with the social media. I'm giving the very clear information. Either you want to get in a job as a fresher level or experience level. According to this current market, manual testing mandatory, automation testing mandatory, and AI testing also mandatory here. Now, because of that, your profile should be manual, automation, and AI. Okay. What is the meaning of this? As simple. What is the meaning of manual testing? Most of the people are already aware of that. According to your knowledge, meaning of the manual testing? All the online students, you can try to respond in the chat window. What exactly meaning of manual testing? Okay. All right. So, as simple, for easy understanding, we can say that, we can mention that, so done by human interactions. If I go with the manual testing, in simple, we can say that done by human interactions. Nothing but we are the human beings. We have to do that particular manual testing. I mean, we need to open the browser. We need to enter the URL. We need to enter the username. Everything done by tester. As a human being, we have to perform that particular manual testing. In the same way, we got automation testing that will be mentioning that done by tools. Automation testing done by tools. The same we got AI testing mentioned that done by AI tools here. Testing only, that particular testing previously we have been done with by automation tools. Now, along with the automation tools, we are taking with the help of AI tools. So first understanding manual testing done by human interactions, automation testing done by the tools, and AI testing done by AI tools here. Now, if I go with manual testing, this particular training program is purely related to automation testing along with AI testing. I'm not discussing anything related to manual. All the online students, please be very clear. This particular training program is not like related to manual. Manual testing we already completed for this particular batch. From today, we are getting started with automation testing. Just to have a small overview of manual, working on the manual testing is nothing but you need to begin implement with the steps of STLC, saying that software testing life cycle. Now, as part of your knowledge, if you want to start with manual testing, what you require? From which step manual testing will be started? Please be respond, guys. You want to start manual testing. If you want to start manual testing, from which step you want to start with the manual? What is the first step? What is the first step, guys? Exactly. The first smoke testing is different, guys. Before getting started with the smoke testing, the very first thing is you need to begin go with requirements understanding. This is what the first step. If you want to begin start with manual testing, first you need to begin start with requirements understanding. And then we can mention that it will be taking with test plan. After that, it will be taking with test scenarios. Then it will mention test cases. Then it will be taking with test execution. After that, it will be taking with bug reporting. And finally, it will be taking with test closure. So whenever you are working with the manual testing, any project you want to implement with the manual testing, this is what the steps you need to be get follow, and this is what all the steps you need to complete it. Now, as part of our training program, I'm not discussing anything related to the manual, but for manual, how we can use the AI. Because of AI testing, for manual, how exactly we can use AI concept, how we can apply the AI concept in detail, I'll be discussing it. If you want, I'll just show you one more small demo how we can use AI for manual testing. As part of manual testing, our major challenge will be facing is in designing test cases. We need to design test cases. With the help of AI, how easily we can design the test cases. With the help of AI, how easily we'll be designing with the test cases. Let's see here. I'll just take with the help of one more tool. The tool name itself, I'm taking with the help of AI tool. The tool name itself, it is clearly mentioning the test case generator. The tool name itself, it is clearly mentioning the test case generator. Now we can see how we are using this AI. While working with the AI, prompting is very most important. I'm clearly saying that act as a senior manual tester. Act as a senior manual tester and design, right? Design all the possible test cases. All the possible test cases, which includes, which includes positive and negative, which includes that particular positive and negative test cases. All the online students, please be more active. See the current market, guys. Always, you guys need to be ready according to the current market. So, as part of this particular current market, everywhere AI has been started, you need to be get comfortable in using with the AI. Now, in case of manual, we can take with the help of these AI tools and we can speed up the things. See, I'm just clicking on the button, generate test case. Everyone is able to see, guys, all the online students. Everyone, it is visible. The tool has been analyzing the application. That AI tool has been analyzing that particular application and it will be generating all that particular test cases here. Related to that particular page, whatever the test cases are there, it will be coming up in generating that particular test cases. Now we can see here. If we just look into that, very detailed, the test steps has been given. This is a sample demo, guys, all the online students. Just I want to make sure that how we can utilize the AI concepts as a manual and automation. Going forward, I'll be discussing in more detail. I'll be coming up with other tools here. So this is how we can take with the help of this particular AI and we can generate that particular positive test cases, negative test cases. So this is what I will be discussing as part of manual. Whole manual testing I'm not discussing for this program because that manual batch completed from today, which we are getting started with automation. So now let's understand how we can go with automation. Nothing but your playwright, how you will be learning within the playwright, what are the things you will be learning, everything I will be giving the details. Please be more active, guys. All the online students, please be available at the end of the session. I'll give you unmute option to get clarify every individual question. For every individual student, I will be giving the unmute option, but please be waited to complete my explanation. See the understanding here. Now, if I just go with this particular manual testing, if I just go with manual testing, our first understanding, manual testing started from requirements level. First understanding, manual testing has been started from requirements level. In the same way, if you want to start automation, automation started from which step? Or if you want to start automation, what we require? Online students. Manual testing started from requirement level. If you want to start with automation testing, what you require? Exactly, guys. Manual testing cases. Please be very clear. From requirements understanding, you are not starting with the manual because the manual already started from requirement. Automation, again, you are not starting from the requirement. To start automation testing, it's mandatory of you will be taking with test cases and then you will be getting started with automation here. That means your first understanding, basic understanding. Manual testing started from requirement level. Automation testing started from test cases. Once you are having manual test cases, by referring that particular manual test cases, you need to get start developing automation script. How you are developing the automation script? By taking with the help of automation tools. That particular automation tools, again, we got two things here. One is we are having paid tools. Another one, we got open source. In this current market, that automation tools, again, we are having paid tools here and we got that particular open source tools. The meaning of paid tool, we can say that license. The meaning of paid tool is we can say that license here. First, we need to be get license. Okay. We need to be get, it will be taking with license from this particular respective of company, and after that, we need to be get start working with the tool. As an example, we got the tool name QTP. It is a paid tool. We got one more tool name, Test Complete. We got one more tool name, Test Partner. We got one more tool name, RFT. And then we got one more tool name, Tosca. This is how in a market, n number of tools are available. It's not like just one or two. In this particular current market, we are having n number of tools are available. In the same way, we got open source also. That particular open source, as an example, it will be mentioning that playwright. And then we got selenium. And then we got Sahi. And then we got this particular water. And then we got, it will be taking with auto IT. Then we got Sikoli. This is how in a market, a number of tools are available. It's not like just only one or two tools here. Thousands of tools are available. But among all these particular tools, we got in a more market for this particular playwright. Among all these particular tools, the current market has been started with playwright. Previously, selenium, almost from the last 15 years. Selenium is that leading tool here. But from last 3 months, the all Selenium projects has been migrated to playwright only. So in this current market, we got in a market for this particular playwright only. Why playwright? That will be understanding. All the online students, First, please complete my explanation, guys. I will be giving every answer, I will be giving it because first I want to complete my explanation, then maximum of your questions will be cleared. Okay, see that. So here we have to get understand this particular perspective of playwright. Why playwright? Why not selenium? That we will be understanding in the coming sessions here. For today, I will be giving with the overview what are all the things you are learning as part of this particular playwright. Let's see here. First, I will be coming up with highlights here. See that this particular training program, playwright with AI testing. Playwright with AI testing. I'm just giving highlights. So, how your program has been started is first, I'll start from very basic because I'm having fresher level people, experience level people, high end experience also. Almost I'm having the people from 0 to 20 years experience people are available. As considering all the audience, first I will be getting started in discussing about this particular automation introduction. Right. I'll start with automation introduction. So here I will be explaining what is automation, why automation, advantages of automation testing, drawbacks of manual testing, every basic I will be discussing it. By that, you guys will get in a more clear picture in understanding of first level, like why automation, advantage of automation, drawbacks of manual. I'll make you more clear on this. Once it is completed, then I will be getting started with another concept. That is what I will be taking with element locators. All the concepts we will be learning with the help of AI. Please be very clear. All the concepts we will be learning along with the AI, you will be learning it. First, I will be completing playwright introduction. Then I will be completing element locators. Once that element locators has been completed, then I will be getting discussing about that particular TypeScript, or I can consider that JavaScript for playwright. I mean, for the playwright, to learn playwright, to get in a job on playwright, to clear the interview on playwright, how much programming concepts has been required, that I will be discussing it. You are not worried about on that. I can understand that most of the people are from non-IT background or non-coding background. You are totally new to the programming. No worries about it all. By today, maybe you are not able to write single line of code. Today, you are not able to write in a single line of code. But by the completion of our training program, by the completion of our training program, I will be giving the guarantee, guys. 100% I will be giving with the guarantee that every individual student will be writing minimum. I'm talking about minimum, guys. Minimum 500 lines of code. I'm talking about minimum, you will be writing 500 lines of code. That is what the confidence I will be giving to every individual student. Because of that, you guys from IT background, non-IT background, or civil, mechanical, no worries about all those things here. Just make sure that you can attend with the sessions regularly. You need to take the practice regularly. Remaining things, that is my headache, I'll take care about it. Just I require little bit seriousness from all you guys in attending the sessions regularly. Can I expect the same seriousness, guys? All the online students. Can I expect with the same seriousness from every online student? I'm not talking about expertise. Just small seriousness I required from every individual student in attending with the sessions regularly. By that, I'll take care about everything. I will be guiding each and everything. So that is what first I'm making you comfortable with TypeScript concept. Once TypeScript concept has been started, then I will be getting started with our actual playwright with real-time live project. Playwright with real-time live project. So that particular playwright also, first I will be getting started in explaining basic program. Then I will be taking with medium level. Then I will be taking with advanced level of the programs here. See how easily we design this particular training programs. Okay, first I'll start from very basic. First, I'll make you comfortable how you can automate text boxes, how you can automate within the buttons, and how you can automate checkboxes. Very basic program. Then I will move into medium level of the program. Then I'll move into advanced level of the program. So with this, you will be getting more comfortable in getting started working with the playwright. After that, I will be getting started with the most advanced concept. That is what I'll be discussing about automation frameworks. First, I'll make you comfortable with automation. After that, we'll be discussing about very most advanced concept. That is what we will be taking with automation frameworks here. As part of that particular automation framework, I will be discussing about this particular hybrid framework and then POM framework and then Cucumber, which is nothing but BDD framework. So as part of advanced concept, I'll be discussing about hybrid framework, POM framework, and then Cucumber framework. And after that, I will be discussing about that particular framework integrations, which I will be taking with that particular framework integrations. As part of that particular framework integrations, see here. Right. What are the things we will be integrating to the framework is first we will be integrating with Allure reports and then it will be integrating with test suite. Then it will be integrating Jenkins, CI and CD tools here. After that, we'll be integrating that particular GitHub. Along with the GitHub, you will be learning the latest one, GitHub Actions here. So this is how we design with the program here. Today, I'm just giving only highlights. Tomorrow, in detail, you will be understanding what are the things you will be learning in each and every particular concept here. So automation, introduction, element locators, TypeScript and JavaScript for Playwright, then Playwright with real-time live project, and then automation framework, frameworks integrations. Once it has been completed, it will be completing with the playwright Then it will be getting started API testing using Playwright. API testing using this particular Playwright. Because previously we got a concept of Postman rest assured. But now we don't have all those particular concepts here. While working with the Playwright itself, we got an inbuilt feature. Playwright itself, we got an inbuilt feature of API. With the help of Playwright, we can continue that particular API testing that we'll be discussing it. And after that, we'll go with in discussing about this particular database testing. Database testing using SQL, not like equal to SQL developer. It is not like equal to the SQL developer. As part of that particular testing, whatever that particular database concepts has been required, that will be discussing it. With this, you will be completing the whole Playwright. Once you complete that particular whole Playwright, then you will be getting started with AI. Not like you will be discussing in parallel. First, I will be completing that particular whole Playwright. After that, I will be getting started with AI testing. As part of that particular AI testing, it will be taking with Gen AI, and then it will be taking with prompt engineering. It will be learning prompt engineering plus it will be taking with agentic AI. So how you are going to learn this particular concept? So how exactly you are going to learn all these particular concept? Again, as usual, first I will be getting started in explaining from the very basic. Here also I will be coming up with AI introduction. What is AI? How exactly AI has been came into the market? So first I will be coming up with all that particular introduction. After that, I will be discussing about AI terms like what is AI, what is Gen AI, what is agentic AI, what is prompting, what is LLM, what is tokenization, all that particular AI terms, you will be learning it. Once you learn that particular AI terms, then you will go with in learning AI powered automation testing. I mean, as part of the testing, you got this manual testing, the whole STLC, how you can implement, how we can do with the help of AI. That I will be discussing about AI powered manual testing. First, I will be completing with AI powered manual testing. Then, I will be discussing about this particular AI powered automation testing. Automation testing also, most of the time, you guys may feel that automation is more difficult. But with the help of AI, very easily I can do with the automation. Just I'll show you one small example how exactly you can take with the help of AI in doing automation. Now we can see here, I'm clearly saying that act as a playwright automation expert. See that how we can use the AI, guys. All the online students, please be very clear. I'm saying that act as a playwright automation expert and automate below test steps or below steps using playwright with TypeScript. Using playwright with TypeScript. I'm giving the steps. Open application. I'm providing application URL. Next, I'm saying that enter username as I'm giving username also, providing that username. Then I'm mentioning that enter password. Enter password as providing that particular password. Then it will be taken with click on login button. Click on login button. So whatever the steps are there, just need to be provided with the step. Click on log out option. Now you can understand automation is easy or difficult. I'm just taking the help of the AI tool. If I click on that, very accurately, it has been giving that particular code. See here how clearly it has been given it, including the comments also. Open application, enter username, enter password, click on login button and verifying the login successful or not and taking with that particular logout. Just we can copy it and we can paste into our required automation and we can do small modification and it will be able to exit. So this is how very easily we can take with the help of this particular automation. So that is what we have been discussing about as part of this particular AI testing. First, we will be having AI for testing. And the second, it will be getting with AI tools testing. Please be very clear, guys. Two things we got it. As part of AI, two things we got. One is AI for testing, another one AI tools testing here. Okay. First, we will be learning AI for testing. As part of AI for testing, we will be learning introduction, AI terms, AI powered manual testing, AI powered automation testing. After that, we'll be discussing about this particular prompting here, which we can say that prompt engineering. So you will be learning different type of prompts. What are the techniques we need to be follow related to that particular prompts? And along with that, in my program, I will be giving almost 100 plus predefined prompts here. I have been already documented in a very clear way to have that particular 100 plus predefined prompts here related to the testing. Just by referring that particular 100 plus predefined prompts, very easily you can get understand that how you can utilize it. See here, you will be able to see that this particular 100 plus QA prompts here. You will be getting an access for that particular 100 plus prompts here. By that, regularly, you will be able to use these particular prompts in your job role here. That I will be discussing as part of that particular prompt engineering. And along with that, I design my own formula. Based on my experience, I came up with my own formula in designing it that I will be explaining what exactly that particular formula. After that, once prompting has been completed, then it will be getting started with AI testing. That particular AI testing, if you want to test with the AI tools, how you can test it. That is also again manual and then you will be taking with automation. Assume that you want to test with the chat GPT. If you want to test ChatGPT, how you can test it. For that also, I will be giving with the steps of STLC automation. It will be taking with the help of Playwright API. I mean, not like functional automation. It's not like in a functional automation. We can go with that particular Playwright API testing. By using that particular Playwright API testing, it will be learning these particular AI tools testing also. And along with these particular AI testing, what are all the tools you are going to learn? How you are going to learn all that particular tools? You will be getting started in understanding that particular Chat GPT, and then along with that you will be taking with that particular cloud also, which you will be taking with that particular cloud, and then you will be taking with this particular test craft. What is test craft? You will understand in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow I'll be giving in a small demo related to that particular test craft, and along with that you will be learning this particular GitHub Copilot. You will be learning GitHub Copilot. Then you will be learning MCP server. This is the main reason why Playwright got in a very good market. With the help of MCP server in Playwright, you doesn't require to write any code. Automatically, that particular MCP server itself can generate with the code. That will be discussing it. And along with that, we'll be discussing about this particular N8N. With the help of that particular N8N, how we can design chatbot also. I mean, if you want to get design or develop that particular chatbot without doing any coding here. As an example, just I'll show you this particular chatbot here. See that. If I'm executing this particular chatbot, how you will be working. By the completion of this particular training program, you will be able to become comfortable to develop this kind of AI bots also without any programming. We are not doing any programming. Without any programming, you will be able to develop this kind of AI bots also. That is what you will be taking with the tool name called as a N8N here. So that you will be discussing it. You will be taking with ChatGPT, TestCraft, GitHub Copilot, MCP Server, N8N, and then you will be mentioning the develop AI agent using this particular cloud. I mean, with the help of the cloud, how you can develop AI agents without any coding. You're not doing any coding at all. So you're learning without doing with the coding. If you want to develop an AI agent, how exactly you can develop it. This is what you will be learning of these concepts here. So this and just high level overview of our program. In a tomorrow session, I will be discussing about in more detail of this particular program. And apart from this, you need to have some advantages. What are all additional benefits? What exactly you got any additional benefits of this particular program? See here, all the online students. Just 5 more minutes, guys. Just give me 5 more minutes. I'll be completing my explanation and I'll clarify all your questions. For everyone, you will be getting with the unmute option. Just 5 more minutes. Right. What are all that particular additional benefits of this particular training program here. See that. First thing, notes. The notes you will be having, running notes will be available, PDF files also available. So we'll be having the running notes and PDF file. Because of the running notes, from tomorrow, everyone need to maintain one proper notebook for the session, including online students also. Including online students. Can I expect the notebook from tomorrow? Yes or no, guys? Can I expect with the notebook from tomorrow? Every online student, please be respond. Right, exactly, guys. You guys need to be little bit interest, little bit seriousness about the program. You will be having running notes, PDF files, and along with that, you will be having hard copy material. Hard copy also will be provided. This is the first advantage, first benefit. Next, you will be taking with lab support. That particular lab support also, you can utilize the lab support for offline. You can use for online. You can utilize for hybrid model. I mean, the lab support, even though you are attending the sessions in online, you can come to that particular offline. Okay, you will be coming to that particular offline practice, or you can go with hybrid. Like some days you will come to online practice, or some days offline, whatever. But we require, we are giving the flexibility. You can utilize offline lab support, you can utilize online lab support and hybrid model. And the sessions also, you can attend in offline session, online session, and hybrid model with the same timings. With the same timings, according to your comfortable, you can attend in offline and then taking in online and taking with hybrid model. And then another advantage, it will be taking with recordings. Live recordings will be provided, not like pre-recorded. It's not like pre-recorded, like every session has been getting recorded. After completion of the session, within 2 hours, you will be getting an access for that particular recording. Live recording will be provided. After that, I will be taking with this particular FAQs discussion concept wise, not like only one session. It's not like only one particular session. Concept wise, whatever the concept we are explaining related to that particular concept, what are all the FAQs we can expect, that will be discussing it. And along with that, you will be taking with exams. You will be writing online exams based on concept wise. Concept wise, you will be writing that particular online exams also. And then which you will be taking with this particular one. So we'll be taking with these particular online exams. After that, license. Okay. License for AI tools. Because of AI testing, if you're working with the free version, you cannot get a better understanding. That is the reason we are providing license also, right? For what are all the tools, you will be getting these particular licenses for ChatGPT. Because if you're working with the free version, paid version, lot of difference will be there. You will get in a license for ChatGPT, and then you will get in a license for Claude, and then you will be getting in a license for N8N. For ChatGPT and then Claude and N8N, you will be getting with the license here. And after that, apart from that, you will be taking with this particular resume session. I'll be taking with the resume session, not only session, I will be taking with preparation. After completion of the total training program, I'll be taking one-to-one session with each and every individual student, and then I'll be coming up with preparing the resume. See on the daily basis how I will be preparing the resumes. 5 plus, 10 plus, 14 plus, 6 plus, every year 17 plus. So I'll be taking with the individual discussion with each and every individual student, and then I'll be coming up with in doing that particular resume preparation. Along with that, I will be taking with that particular mock interviews. Mock interviews for fresher, and then I will be taking with experience. Mock interviews for fresher level, and then taking with experience level. And after that, you will be taking with placement assistance. We have very good number of clients are available for fresher level, and experience level will go with that particular placement assistance here. So this is what exactly that particular plan. So to complete all these particular things, you will be taking within the time, I'll be taking with the duration 2 months. Duration is 2 months here, and then it will be taking with the timings of this particular batch 11 a.m. 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. till the time of your batch has to be completed. There is no changes in the timings here. Demo timings, actual session timings will be the same. And tomorrow I'll be completing the demo. From day after tomorrow, we'll be starting our actual session. It's not like any gap. We'll not be having any gap. Tomorrow, one more free demo will be there. You can utilize that particular free demo also. Then you will get more details here. And from day after tomorrow, we'll be getting started with that particular actual sessions here. That I will be taking with these particular timings. And then it will be having that particular days. It will be considered that Monday to Saturday, not Monday to Friday. My sessions will be continued Monday to Saturday, because this much of content I want to deliver. So if I want to deliver of this much of content, my sessions need to go with very regular. Because of that, I'll be continued with Monday to Saturday, not like Monday to Friday. So this is what all the high level details here. Still, if required, any details from the batch wise or management, you can connect with the admin team. Technical questions I will clarify now. Technical questions I'll be clarifying it. In case of management related, you can connect on these numbers 90000278224 and 900278114. These are the admin numbers related to batch related queries. You can connect with on these particular numbers, and related to the technical, I will be giving the unmute option. For just 1 minute, I'll be giving with the unmute option. So this is what exactly just highlights have been given for today's session. In tomorrow's session, I'll be discussing about in more detail here. Tomorrow, I'll be coming up with a lot of AI concepts also, like how we can utilize this AI concept in the current market for the testing here. That we will be understanding in more detail. So please be available for tomorrow also with the same meeting ID, same timings here. Okay? Clear everyone? Right. So now I'll give an unmute option. Let
Welcome
me
to NP
enable
World.
unmute option, guys.
Bluetooth mode.
Once you raise your hands, then you will be getting the automatically unmute option. All the online students who are all having with the questions, you guys can raise your hands. I will be giving with the unmute option here. Okay. Online students or all the questions having it, you guys can raise your hands. I will be giving with the unmute option. Don't be in a hurry, guys. I will be giving enough time to clarify all your questions here. Just one by one, I'll be answering with the questions here. Okay. I'll be giving enough time, guys. Don't be hurry about your questions. Just you can carry on.
Sir, my question is our client have restricted extensions on VM. So, can we learn AI testing using Microsoft Copilot as well? Because we have only means access for Microsoft Copilot.
So here, as part of the demo to understand that how exactly we can go with this particular AI, given that particular extension, that is a one option here. Okay, but every AI tool will be having some limitations will be there, advantages will be there. But by the end of this particular session, you can understand that how you can utilize these AI tools in your regular job role. As already you are having that Microsoft Copilot you're talking about, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So you can use a any AI, either ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, that will be the fine to make these particular AI concept. But everything you cannot do it. For example, assume that you want to design your own AI agent. So that you cannot go with the Microsoft Copilot. You need to take N8. So for learning purpose and every having a good knowledge of AI with the respective of testing, I will be explaining all the things here. You guys need to be looking into that. What are all the possibilities are there here? Okay.
Okay.
Hello,
So
sir.
my question
Yes.
is like, is there any certification provided for this?
Yes. After completion of the total training program, you will be getting course completion certificate. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, we will be covering some topics related to API testing also with the AI.
Not with AI. So API testing with the help of the playwright, I'll be discussing it. The same thing when we are discussing about with the AI concept, I'll be coming up with the functional testing. Similar to that, we will be taking with this particular AI also. Okay.
One more question, sir. Sir, you'll be teaching us some framework design also in this course.
Repeat the question again.
We will be covering the framework design also in this course.
Absolutely. Yeah, that is what I mentioned, right? Framework, I mean,
Okay.
hybrid framework, POIM framework, and Cucumber framework. These frameworks will be getting the learning here.
Yeah,
Okay?
thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, I am 2012 pass out and about 12 years of experience. But currently, I am not working from last week. So
Mhm.
this course will take 2 months. So how can I
Correct.
fill this gap?
See, now anyway, like recently, right? So you need to start your job searching by mentioning that playwright knowledge, not like experience. By the completion of the training program, I'll be preparing the resume, like how you can showcase your experience. Then you will be continued on that. Because
Actually,
in
total
yeah,
12 years I have worked with Selenium and Java.
then absolutely fine. Then you can keep your resume with manual and automation, and immediately you need to start your job searching.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Just 1 minute, guys. Online
Uh,
students, 1 minute. Online students, 1 minute. Yes, guys. Yeah. Online students continue, guys.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes.
So you showed some examples of web application and wherein you were automating some of the scenarios, right? So
Correct.
in my organization, we are using chatbots, digital chatbots, which uses FAQs and also has agent escalations. And also we use IVR speech application. So will this course help me in automating the use cases for my current organization?
Yeah. First thing is this playwright is purely for web application.
Okay,
Okay. That
okay,
anything running on browser, we can automate it. So that possibility how. So if your applications are able to run in the browser, then absolutely
okay,
fine. It is able. Yeah. Okay.
okay. So in that case, chatbots, yeah, we do have it in browser as well as we use the Apple business messaging.
Uh,
But
Yeah.
but
So but
that
if it is open in the browser and Playwright will help you that only to I mean specifically chatbot. Functional testing 100% you can automate it. But when it's come to the chatbot because of that AI, it will have any restriction. You can't go with the functional testing. To test that, you need to take the help of Playwright with the API. With the help of API testing, like sending with a request to that chatbot, and then you are getting the proper response or not by the
correct.
validating the status code. That
Uh-huh.
level of testing you will be able to do.
So that we will I get to know in this course or
Yeah,
any
yeah,
additional?
yes.
Okay. And how about the speech application? Because there we don't have web application, but we do have simulators wherein we can place calls and test the flows. So that uh, will something help me from this course?
No. So because this every tool it will have some limitations, right? So as
Okay.
of now, Playwright is having a very good support, very good market for the web applications.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
right.
Oh, hello, hi, sir.
Yep.
I haven't learned manual testing earlier. Is there any source to learn manual testing to continue with this course?
Absolutely. We started one manual testing batch also. You can connect with the management team. You can tell them that if you want, you can continue on the same batch. Like first is manual and that batch. After completion of the manual, automation will be continued. Otherwise, parallelly, you can continue manual in another batch, automation in this batch according to your comfort.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay?
you. Thank you.
Right.
Hi,
Yes.
I come from a guideware domains race, so I would
Correct.
like to give me a suggestion, like to learn this automation, as I have 7 years of experience and I'm from functional side, or to dig deeper into more into the guideware domain perspective. How would you give your points?
See. So here it can be guideware on anything as simple as if the application is running on browser, it will be able to get automate with the help of this particular playwright. And the second thing, as of now, the current market, the people who want to do the job change, it's mandatory that the playwright automation tool has been becoming a mandatory. Then only you are able, you can expect with the interview calls. Even though if you have a guideware testing experience also, by keeping manual guideware, you can't expect within the inter records. That is the current market situation. But whenever I'm taking with explanation, I cannot go with exactly your guideware application. But anyway, we'll be trying with these particular web applications, right? So as we'll be doing with the training program from the project level. Because of that, whatever the concepts we are learning, parallelly the same concept need to be tried to apply on your applications. Then it will make you more comfortable to learn something.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am a manual tester and I have basic knowledge of automation. So, do I need to know automation testing very well in order to learn playwright testing? Actually, sir, in my previous company, only manual testing was used, and I don't have practice in automation.
No worries about it. That is the reason we designed the training program from the scratch. So from the very basic to I'll be taking into the advanced level. So because of that, you have to make sure that attending the sessions very regularly and remaining those things I'll take care about it. You are not worried about.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, sir.